Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I go at Rudy Tutorials at YouTube. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. I'm in CopperCube 6.5.1 and I'm just gonna give you a brief tutorial, guys, on how you can use the default materials in CopperCube. If you don't have any materials for your items, don't worry. You can use the environment default materials and textures just to apply to your model. Okay, this is a default cube. I'm just gonna strip this cube from its material so we can start from scratch. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me position this cube. My name is 3D Mesh Tutorials, like I said, going as Rudy Tutorials. You need to subscribe to my channel. You need to like this video if it was helpful, and please ring that notification bell icon so I can remind you whenever I upload new tutorial videos like this one. Okay. So we are in the hierarchy and I'm putting the material on a solid static light map. Right there, I changed the first material. As you see here at the bottom, right hand side in the textures slots, there's a bunch of textures in materials you can use there. Some of them has added transparency, like alpha transparency. You need to use the alpha transparency in your properties, in materials, in the hierarchy. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Don't worry, just give me a moment. Right? You can even put it on dynamic, use dynamic light so you can have a more realistic environment. Okay, so the light can fall on your material, like on the item, the 3D model you import to your. There's the alpha transparency, as you can see there. You need to go to your hierarchy, just press the drop down menu there by dynamic, or you can go there where it's so solid, right? Okay, and if you add a material, you just need to go to that small slot. First go to the material, the texture slot. You click on the texture and you just click on that, as you can see there, that small icon there with the arrow key. And that's how you apply your textures. You can import other textures also. Make sure it's 512 by 512 or 256 by 256. It needs to be a rectangular, okay, like a square, sorry, it needs to be a square, so that there's no like the size in the material, so that it doesn't tile. Okay, you don't want it to tile. So a 512 by 512 is one tile. If you go 512 by 510, you're gonna have like tiling. There's gonna be a tiling problem. Okay, so at the end of the day, you can also add materials to your floor. If you want to add grass, stone material, like road materials, whatever material you want to use, you can import it and just add it to CopperCube's default meshes, like the cube and the mesh, the flat mesh. This is the flat mesh that we use for the ground. Okay, there's your dynamic light. I'm just gonna lower the light a bit, it's quite high, so that I just want to show you how the light moves on top of your materials. You need to put it on dynamic. Alright, you're gonna have a nice effect if you put it on dynamic. Like I said, my name is 3D Mesh Tutorials. I go as Rudy Tutorials. Please head over to my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of YouTube videos, tutorials that can help you on creating your own game in CopperCube, even in Unity. I have a bunch of tutorials on Unity, but for beginners, guys that don't know how to script like me, I'm starting to learn scripting, especially Java and C++. So you need to go head over to my YouTube channel, subscribe there. There's a bunch of videos for you guys that can teach you how to create games, import your animated characters from Blender and all of that awesome stuff. Thank you for watching.